Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account. So let's start. First open the Snapchat app. Go to your profile from top left corner. Then go to settings from top right corner. Scroll down. Then tap on I need help. Scroll down again. Tap on my account and security. Now tap account information. And here you will see the option to delete your account. Tap on that. Now tap on Accounts Portal. Remember, after deleting your account will be deactivated for the first 30 days. And you can log in to reactivate your account at any time. After those 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. Now type your password and tap continue and your account will be deleted. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.